Hey guys, so I've got a quick tip video, might help somebody with the diagnostics. It's a 2012 Infiniti qx56. Same goes for a lot of Nissan Armadas with a similar engine or same engine. The customer had a complaint, had a screeching noise like a belt or a pulley. As soon as you start it, the more you accelerate, the louder the noise would get. The oil level, everything was fine. Took the belt off, had it running with the belt off, and it was still making that noise. Used the stethoscope and looks like it was coming for the passenger side, which is the bank 2. It also had a service engine soon light, had a fault code for P0021 for a timing problem on the passenger side. So realized the problem could be inside the timing area. No driving problems whatsoever. It was running perfectly fine. Again, we didn't do a road test on the highway, just around the block, that's it. The problem was, so this one has two oil jets on both banks. 1 second, if I can get it. There we go. This is the one for the passenger side, which is bank 2. This is the one for the driver's side, which is bank 1. Now, if you look at the difference in the clearance, let me hold that a little better. There we go. If you look at the clearance at bank 1, there's a lot of clearance in between the timing chain and the jet. The same on bank 2. It's rubbing against the timing chain. And that's what the screeching noise is. So to get to it, pretty much, you gotta pull the timing chains, oil pump, valve covers, intake, everything off to get to it. So it's a big job. There's a lot of online procedures that show you step by step. This video is just to help with the diagnostics. It's very labor intensive. There's actually a service bulletin for the same problem from Infiniti, but no recall. These are all the parts that you're gonna need with the part numbers. Screenshot it, might come in handy. Unfortunately, I was not able to find a whole kit that they sell, but I was able to find these parts at an Infiniti dealership. Sometimes you can call Nissan with the same part numbers. They're a little cheaper than Infiniti because they're the same part numbers if they have them available. Most of the time, these part numbers, they can just interchange and they can let you know. In addition to that, you will need a special tool. If you Google online, like oil jet, Infiniti, Nissan, installation and removal tool, you'll need that to install it. Again, there's a lot of videos that show you step by step online. This video's purpose is only diagnostics. So hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.